Today, making a video. The 2026 Toyota Fortuner continues its tradition of being a tough, dependable, body-on-frame SUV designed for families who want capability and comfort. The exterior looks sharper with redesigned LED headlights, a wider stance, and sculpted fenders that emphasize its rugged personality. The front grille has been modernized with a more premium look, while the rear receives sleeker taillights and a more aerodynamic tailgate. Under the hood, the Fortuner is powered by improved turbo diesel and gasoline options, including a refined 2.8-liter diesel that offers better fuel efficiency, quieter operation, and more torque for towing or hill climbs. The suspension has been retuned for smoother highway comfort while retaining off-road toughness with features like low-range 4WD, hill descent control, and multi-terrain modes. Inside, the cabin feels more premium, offering soft-touch materials, an updated infotainment system, wireless smartphone connectivity, and improved third-row comfort for larger families. Moving to the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser, this model stands as the king of Toyota's off-road lineup. The design blends modern luxury with a robust squared-off silhouette, giving it a prestigious yet rugged presence. Slimmer LED headlights, a more upright grille, and muscular wheel arches reinforce its toughness. The Land Cruiser now features Toyota's latest turbocharged hybrid powertrain, delivering strong low-end torque and better fuel efficiency, crucial for long expeditions. The full-time 4WD system works with locking differentials, crawl control, and advanced terrain management to conquer mud, rocks, sand, and steep trails with absolute confidence. Inside, the Land Cruiser offers a premium interior with leather seating, real aluminum and wood trim options, a massive digital display, and advanced safety and driver assist technologies. It feels like a luxury SUV without losing its adventure-first personality. The 2026 Toyota Crown continues redefining what a premium Toyota sedan can be. With a sleek fastback-inspired design, bold grille, elegant lighting, and chrome accents, the Crown commands attention from every angle. Under the hood, Toyota's hybrid max powertrain delivers strong acceleration with impressive fuel economy, mixing electric torque with turbocharged power for a smooth and quiet driving experience. The ride quality is refined, with adaptive suspension that absorbs bumps and delivers a composed, luxury sedan feel. Inside, the Crown features a high-end cabin with dual digital displays, soft leather seating, ambient lighting, improved sound insulation, and tech-forward features such as wireless charging and premium audio. It appeals to drivers who want comfort, performance, and sophistication blended into one modern package. Switching to excitement and pure performance, the 2026 Toyota Supra remains Toyota's ultimate sports car. Its low-slung design, long hood, wide stance, and aggressive LED lighting give it a race-ready appearance. The aerodynamic profile enhances cornering stability, while the large wheels and quad exhaust tips amplify its sporty character. Performance comes from a turbocharged inline engine, offered in both 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder variants, paired with a fast-shifting automatic or an enthusiast favorite manual transmission. The Supra delivers sharp steering, excellent balance, powerful brakes, and a thrilling exhaust note. Inside, the cockpit is focused and driver-oriented, featuring supportive sports seats, premium materials, a responsive infotainment system, and digital gauges that display performance metrics. It's a car built for those who love speed, precision, and driving excitement. The return of the 2026 Celica brings a wave of nostalgia, rebuilt for modern drivers. Its exterior embodies a sleek, youthful, and sporty design with sculpted lines, compact proportions, and a fresh LED lighting signature. Performance focuses on agile handling, efficient power, and an engaging driving feel. A turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with hybrid assistance offers quick acceleration without sacrificing fuel economy. Its lightweight structure and sport-tuned suspension make it fun in the corners and stable at speed. Inside, the Celica offers a blend of sporty touches, like bucket seats and aluminum trim, with modern comforts like a touchscreen interface, wireless connectivity, and customizable driver displays. It captures the spirit of the original while introducing future-forward technology. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner stays true to its rugged roots while gaining modern upgrades. Its boxy, adventure-ready exterior continues to appeal to outdoor enthusiasts, now sharpened with updated LED lights, beefier bumpers, and a more aggressive grille. Built on a tough ladder frame chassis, the 4Runner is designed for extreme terrains with high ground clearance, strong suspension articulation, skid plates, and enhanced off-road modes. Under the hood, Toyota introduces a more efficient turbocharged engine with hybrid support, boosting torque for crawling and towing. Inside, the 4Runner becomes more family-friendly with a redesigned cockpit, larger touchscreen, improved seating comfort, and added cargo flexibility. Despite the upgrades, it still feels purpose-built for trails, making it one of the last true off-road SUVs in its class. Completing the lineup, the Range Rover stands apart as the luxury benchmark for SUVs in 2026. Its clean, minimalist silhouette, smooth surfaces, flush door handles, and iconic floating roof design create an unmistakable premium presence. The interior offers one of the most luxurious cabins available, with leather, wood, metal accents, and near-silent ride quality. Performance is powered by refined hybrid and plug-in hybrid engines that deliver smooth acceleration and impressive efficiency. The air suspension system levels the vehicle automatically for comfort, while adapting to off-road and on-road conditions. With advanced terrain response systems, the Range Rover maintains outstanding off-road capabilities despite its luxury focus. Its technology suite includes massive digital displays, high-end audio systems, advanced driver assist features, and top-tier connectivity. Together, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner, Toyota Land Cruiser, Toyota Crown, Toyota Supra, Toyota Celica, Toyota 4Runner, and Range Rover create one of the most diverse and capable sets of vehicles for different driving needs. From rugged off-road dominance to high-performance thrill, luxurious long-distance comfort, and modern everyday practicality, each model stands out with its unique purpose. Whether you want power, style, efficiency, adventure, or prestige, this collection offers something for every type of driver and lifestyle.